For the longest time, Koreans and Japanese have included essences into their skincare routine. Now, essences doesn't have any cleansing properties that include in the product itself, but they do play an important role in restoring pH onto the skin as well as retaining moisture. Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I'm a beauty and lifestyle journalist at Beauty Insider. Now here are some of the best essences that you can check out in Singapore. Available at Insider Mall, this is the Mediphyt Perfect Clear. This award-winning whitening essence by Mediphyt is the perfect solution you need if you have skin concerns like dark spots, discoloration, or sunspots. This lightening facial essence acts on three various aspects of your skin's health. First, it helps with the renewal of your skin cells, then with the production of melanin, and finally, it works to combat the free radicals to leave your complexion looking and feeling flawless. Next, we've got Meeth Ceraderma Essence. This serum is best for sensitive skin types and it is ultra soothing. To help provide your skin with the natural beauty it deserves, its formula consists of a mixture of 5 different and new human ceramide sites. If you didn't know, ceramides are actually an essential lipid that occurs in our skin naturally. Other than that, there's the Simone Mahler Hydr'Activ Nuit. This serum by Simone Mahler is a light and comfortable fluid emulsion that is rich in detoxing, oxygenating, stimulating, and moisturizing active ingredients. These ingredients that are infused act in synergy to enhance your skin's comfort and suppleness. Not only that, but this serum also helps increase the radiance and brightness of your skin while slowing down and correcting your skin's aging process. There is also the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. This PETERA technology by SK2 need no introduction at all, as it is one of the most effective and one of the best-selling facial essences in the market. Also, this multi-award-winning facial essence supplies your skin with essential amino acids, minerals, vitamins, and organic acids. It works well in its regenerative function to the skin. In addition to that, there is the JYUNKA Professional Pure E Concentrate. Infused with a unique blend of apricot oil, vitamin A, and E, this concentrate is the ultimate solution for all your skin concerns. This award-winning facial essence helps to prevent the signs of aging and promoting skin healing. It is formulated with apricot oil to soften the skin and boost the skin luminosity. Another one of my favorites is the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum EX. Its main function is to energize, balance, and hydrate your skin. It gives your face a glow and eliminates the dullness. Also, this facial essence is also proven effective when it comes to slowing down signs of aging. This next one is a powerhouse in the skincare world, and it is none other than the Hada Labo Super Hyaluronic Acid Premium Hydrating Lotion. If you always find your skin feeling dry and lack of moisture, this is the exact facial essence that you need to get your hands on. As it is formulated with hyaluronic acid, it will do the job in moisturizing and hydrating your skin. Also, not only does it provide your skin with hydration, but it also helps retain and lock the moisture, leaving you with much softer and smoother skin. Last but not least, I have to include the HERA Cell Essence. What's really unique about this facial essence by HERA is that all the ingredients and components are already listed on the packaging. It simply shows that everything you apply on your skin need to be healthy and clean in order to achieve clear skin. Some of the components of this facial essence are sugar, peptides, amino acids, lipids, ions, hyaluronic acid, and natural moisturizing factors. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should we make next. I would love to know. Sign up at the Insider Mall right now so that you get to discover, shop, and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!